The breakroom. Someone mentions their retirement account. Your stomach drops before your brain catches up. Level 1. The outside. The culture sold you a number. $1 million. The minimum. The entry point. The benchmark for not failing. Only 2.6% of Americans have actually reached that number in retirement accounts specifically. Not net worth. Not property. Just retirement. Out of every 100 people around you right now, only 2 or 3 cross that line. You are measuring yourself against ghosts. Level 2. The real numbers. The Federal Reserve data says the median household retirement savings is around $87,000. The median. Half of everyone has less. People in their late 50s, decades of work behind them, have a median of $185,000. They followed the rules. They just never had a chance. The colleague leans over and says, "You know what nobody tells you. The benchmark was never meant for you to hit it." Level 3. The wiring. Your brain values $100 today more than $1,000 in 30 years. This is not weakness. This is how you were built. Research shows your future self activates the same brain region as a stranger. You are not saving for yourself. You are saving for someone you barely know. Level 4. The cost. $1 million at 4% withdrawal is $40,000 a year before taxes. Add Social Security and you get $63,000. That is not a kingdom. That is groceries and rent. The biggest factor in retirement wealth is not income or discipline. It is whether you had access to an employer plan in your 20s. The system is the filter. Level 5. The shutdown. When the gap feels insurmountable, your brain stops trying. Behavioral economists call it learned helplessness. You don't quit. Your brain does it for you. 37% of Americans cannot cover a $400 emergency without borrowing. These are not people choosing comfort over the future. They are in survival mode. Level 6. The truth they sell. The shame you carry about your savings was manufactured. The industry profits from your anxiety. The benchmark is a marketing target, not a moral standard. Someone who starts saving $500 a month at 25 will likely outrun someone saving $1,000 a month starting at 45. Time beats willpower every single time. Even people who reach $1 million don't feel secure. The goalpost moves. The brain adapts. Enough is never a number. It is a relationship with uncertainty. Level 7. What you actually control. Save what you can. Automate it when you can. Increase it when you get more. But don't let a calculator's projection steal the life you are living right now. You are not broken. You are not behind. You are human, navigating a system designed to make you feel insufficient. That is not failure. That is reality.